couple of days into the month of July, and guess what? For those of you who don't know me, it is my birthday month. Yes, I said birthday month because I celebrate all month long. It's also summertime, and in the summertime, I like rum punch. So I'm going to show you a recipe. Don't ask me where I found it. It could have been YouTube. It could have been just Google. I don't remember. I went through a couple of different recipes and then I stumbled upon this one, tweaked it a little bit to my taste, but it's pretty good. Awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or let's say it's as simple as 1, 2, 3, 4. Come with me while I show you the best, what I think is the best punch. I'm going to call it my birthday punch. That's it. Come with me while I show you my birthday punch. Remember, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's about what you use to measure. It's your form of measurement. In my case, I'm using a cup, which will give me maybe to about this much a punch, because it's going to be what they say, 1 part sour, 2 parts sweet, 3 parts strong, 4 parts weak. All day long in this punch is going to be 10 cups, maybe a little more, but 10 cups of these ingredients that you saw posed for a picture earlier. We're going to start with the sour. That's the lime juice. One cup. 1 cup down. 1 cup down. Now we're going to go 2 parts sweet. And in this case, the sweet is grenadine. Though I have seen some people use like a strawberry syrup, and I think grenadine is a pomegranate, but I'll be honest, in my test phases, grenadine, 2 cups of that was just too darn sweet for me. So what I've done is simple syrup. It was in the refrigerator, so it's sweating. Probably sweating because it's nervous about being in public. Simple syrup. And a simple syrup is pretty much just water and sugar. You heat up water on the stove, you put sugar in it. It's kind of 1 for 1. So I use, in this case, 1 1/4 per 1. I use 4 cups of water, 5 cups of sugar for simple syrup. We use this for the rum punch, and we use this for margaritas. So again, I'm going to mix 1 1/2 cups and 1/2 cup of the grenadine to equal 2 cups for it to be 2 parts sweet. I'm pouring in 1/2 cup, or what I think is 1/2 cup. Then shake this up, take the top off. The simple syrup. There's my 1 part sweet. There's my 2 parts sweet. Next we have our strong, which is the rum. Now in the past, I've used Bacardi rum. Again, I think a couple of videos I've seen, they've used this Jamaican rum, Ray and Nephew, Whenever I went to the liquor store, Ray wanted just a little more money than I had at the time. So I used Bacardi. And then I also used to use, Bacardi Light. Then I also used to use Bacardi Dark. But I have taken to liking the Captain. Me and the Captain get along pretty good. I can sip this out of a shot glass and, not be like, oh my God, it's too strong. So now we're going to see, because this is something new, we're going to see how well the Captain and Ray get along. And this is 1.5 cups each for our 3 parts strong. Okay, Captain. Oh man, is that for your finger? I never noticed that. So first, my cup. One cup. It's almost time to get a new bottle. Then that's about 1/2 cup. Now here's this. Never tried it before, but we'll see how it tastes. I don't think they want me to get in it. How do you open this? Oh, there we go. Oh. Okay. That smells pretty good. It says guaranteed full strength. Makes me wonder if I shouldn't put as much in. But again, this is my birthday punch. Here. Oh. Oh my God. Forget you saw that. So you gotta, I'll do 1 1/4 because I probably poured 1/4 of a cup in when I didn't know what the heck I was doing a second ago. And no, I have not had anything to drink yet. Yowza. 1, and remember we already put a splash in, so this isn't going to be 1/2 cup. I like this punch a lot. Most people I know, though, think it's too strong. I don't drink, and it tastes like punch to me, like a nice fruit punch, but more for me. Next, 4 parts wheat, and that's a combination I use of pineapple juice, and orange juice. And of course, I just split it 2 cups each. And hopefully I have enough punch in here, so this one may just be more orangey. It all depends, we'll find out. One cup pineapple. Uh-oh, we're cool in the game, yo. 2 cups pineapple. One cup. 2 cups. And in my book, that's it. That's all the liquid you need. So to recap, we had 1 part sour, which was 1 cup of lime juice, 2 parts sweet, which is a combination of simple syrup and grenadine, 3 parts strong, which is dark rum. Well, I like Captain Morgan Spice rum, and the Ray and Nephew rum. Can't wait to see how that tastes. And, oops, my ring is turned around. Sorry, y'all. 4 parts weak, which is a combination of pineapple juice and orange juice. 1/2 and 1/2. So what I'm going to do now is take my handy dandy long bar spoon, I guess that's what they call this, and stir. And always, the ringing you hear is my little heart bracelet that bounces off my watch. Well, actually, it's just bouncing against itself. So again, I'm smelling it. Oh my God, I don't think I've ever smelled it that much before. I'm concerned. I'm concerned for my safety. I might not drive today. I probably should stay home. Now I have to taste test. And since it is my birthday month, I was going to test it with just a regular old shot glass. But since it's my birthday month, I had to pull out the special shot glass. My crystal, could be Crystal S, but I'm calling it my crystal shot glass. Let's see how this tastes. It's not all the way done yet. I have a secret weapon that to me kicks it up a notch. Let's see what we got, because like I said, I don't know what Ray brings to the party. Ray changes the taste just a little bit. I can't call it, but it's not bad. I think depending on your taste, you can either go with Bacardi or something other than the Jamaican rum, whatever you use. You know, it's just, I grew up with Bacardi. Cheers to me. Wowzer. Since I've put orange juice and lime juice in it, when I pour my glass, I garnish it with limes and orange slices. And when I drink my glass, I like to drink it in a wine glass or a stemless wine glass. So, oops, gotta get some ice. Have my ice in my glass, my orange slice. I probably should put my lime slice in first, but I did. Cheers. No. Don't do this, because the orange is stopping the flow. Something I saw also online. This is the last thing I put in. All natural Jamaican allspice. I think I saw a recipe where they called it pimento, and I looked it up, and it's the same thing. So these look like little peppercorns, but this allspice has a nice, I don't know, a nice nutty blend smell. It says allspice berries are essential in pickling and mulling spices. I like it in rum punch. Needless to say, I already have some ground up. Now you don't want a lot, because that'll just overpower it, and then sometimes when you sip it, it gets in your mouth. So I normally just use this so it's not in my fingernails or anything like that, but I just use like the tip of a spoon, sprinkle it over the top. And it takes the taste from good to stupid good. Try it. I hope you enjoy it. I love it. I may have to wind up making another batch before the weekend is over, but this is my thing all summer. Thanks for watching. I forgot. See? This is an outtake. Yeah, I put it back. It's mine. This is so good. Hopefully when I go to Jamaica again on my next cruise, well, not my next cruise, hopefully when I go to Jamaica in January, I can compare it. But this is awesome to me. You try it, I hope you like it. Just know it starts out slow, then it hits you a little later on.